Hello, today I will show you how to make these mini books. First, take 3 A4 sheets. Divide 4 parts into 7 centimeters. Make lines on that marking. Now divide 4 parts into 5 centimeters. Then draw lines on the marking. Now we have to take 3 A4 sheets and mark it, and then you can cut it out. Now you fold it each like this. Now I have folded them all. Now take clips and put it. Now mark the sides like where is the folded parts. Now I have put the glue in, and now let's keep it aside and let it dry. One is, see, now cut a size in 7.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter. And now cut it off. Take a paper and draw the lines of 5.4 centimeter and 8.8 centimeter. Now cut them off. Take a cardboard and draw two pieces in 3.8 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter, and now cut them off. See, now I've cut the first piece. Now I am going to cut a piece in one piece of 1 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. I have cut these pieces. Now let's prepare its cover. Now draw two lines in the big size paper. Keep it evenly in the lines what we drawed. Now we can stick it. Now stick it in the even line. Now stick all three in the same line. It's like a book. Cut the 4 edges. Now fold it evenly. Don't let the paper damage the cardboard. Now stick them with glue. Let us take satin ribbon and stick it on. the satin ribbon on it. Let's put glue across the line. Stick the ribbon so we can use it to tie the book. Now let's put glue on the second paper. Now let's take the smaller paper on the cover of the one too, so nobody can see the satin ribbon which is stick behind it. Let's put the glue a second time. To its cover. Now let's stick it to its cover. Now let's remove the clips from the pages. Now let's decorate it. Take some decorative items. I will take a marker to draw its smile. Fluffy art mini book is ready. Our books are ready. Bye bye. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.